Hey there guys, welcome to K-Set single box break number 92 of 11/12 Panini Dominion. So last time it ended was Edmonton Oilers on November 3rd at 8:19 p.m. Eastern Time. So go to Kearney Bay Dane Time tab, refresh. So Kearney Bay Dane Time is Saturday, November 3rd at 6:30 p.m. Pacific, and Saturday, November 3rd at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So a little over an hour and 10 minutes since the auction ended. So 92, and the serial number we're doing tonight, it's the last 10. We're hoping for something huge. So serial number NE189821985. So we'll go over to our 10. One 8982198 for Dominion. For the box for you guys. Sealed and sealed. Okay, so I'll show you guys serial number one more time. I'll get started. $1985. Okay, so good luck, guys. Sealed. Okay, and here we go. Good luck, guys. Come on, shield. Empty. Oh, no book, so hopefully it's a shield or another big rookie. Okay, so here we go. Good luck, guys. So we start off with a base of Ilya Kovalchuk for the New Jersey Devils, 143 of 199. We got autograph rookie for the Edmonton Oilers of Chris Van Velde, 61 of 199. We got auto rookie patch of Cameron Gaunt, 65 of 199. And we got short print gold rookie patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Ryan Johansson, 2 of 19. Very nice patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets. 2 of 19. And we got base jersey of Brandon Dubinsky for the New York Rangers, 59 of 100. We got base jersey of Carl Klingberg for the Winnipeg Jets. We got base jersey of Alex Burrows for the Vancouver Canucks, 62 of 100. And a base of Evgeny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins, 17 of 199. So I guess Ryan Johansson is considered a case hit. Other than that, be sure, and that's it for the case of Dominion. I can probably post another one or two more Dominion breaks up that I have that's loose tins right now in my store. So I can do that if you guys are interested in those. Then also tomorrow I got Prime and SPX ending. So other than that, thanks as always, guys, and take care.